The SWEF is the Student Workshop Experience Facility. The main aim of the SWEF is to give our engineering students a chance to gain some practical experience with a variety of different tools and processes. During the final year of their degree, materials science and engineering students use the SWEF to produce a working prototype for their group design project. They are given instruction on the use of basic hand and power tools, and there is also the opportunity for additional training on more specialised equipment. While the primary purpose of the SWEF is to benefit students in their projects, it also serves as the main workshop for the department's technical staff. There is a great diversity of jobs that are tackled in here, and it can be really interesting for students to be exposed to such a variety of work. On any given day, we may be doing electrical modifications on some obscure lab equipment, machining up custom parts for a research project, or welding up a frame to hold a furnace. Our technical staff are all from trade backgrounds, and between them, there is a huge knowledge base that students can draw from.
We're excited to be producing graduate engineers that are not only theoretically brilliant, but also practically well-rounded. In industry, engineers that can display a solid grasp on both of these aspects are highly sought after. And we want our students to graduate with a range of skills that will set them up for successful and exciting careers.